I think it's going to be really exciting, like being able to walk around Hersheypark and just say, like, I helped plant that, or I helped like design that.
This is a park for millions and millions of people. So off the bat, they might not even think it was a senior in high school who did this.
It's not gonna be like, oh, I wonder how they built this, or like, oh, how did they do that? It's gonna be more of like, oh, I know how they did that. Oh, I did that. I'm in construction carpentry CTE pathway, and we're working on refurbishing the lighthouse.
Engineering and architectural classes collaborated to make a gate.
I'm in the agriculture and natural resource pathway, and we're working on planting in different parts of Hersheypark.
In the graphics, we're working with the culinary part to create kids' menus designs.
There's the ice cream, there's the restaurant, and there's the balcony.
I'm in the automotive pathway, and we refurbished an antique car.
Hershey Project Pathways has taught me that everything we see in this world, there's so much work to get put into it, so much thought, and no matter what, you always have to put your best effort.
And I think it also ties in a little bit with the sacred values and just staying committed to what it is I'm working on and having a positive spirit.
It really helps me like see how really broad this career pathway is, and it helps me see I could be doing all of this possibly in my future. So it's exciting, yeah.
This could be like the first step in like building something bigger for myself. Like it could light the way for my future.
Working with HE&R staff, it was really exciting. The love and support that they have given me.
The mentorship, they help you, so you kind of like, you build a relationship off of that.
To actually talk with an individual who has to do this on a daily basis.
The connection is really about having the opportunity to expand your horizon and network, and in a professional sense, it will help us when we're older.
I believe Milton Hershey would love the idea of two of his biggest creations, two amazing things just coming together and benefiting each other.
He envisioned like that community feeling. So like to see that happening between like even students and adults who like in a way that normally wouldn't like cross paths like in that aspect, I mean, it's pretty cool. Yeah, I think you would be proud.